Hello, my name is NZipp, and I'm from course 4890.601, and today we'll be covering the Tableau assignment regarding different data and different airlines for the country. As you can see here, numerous data is captured regarding multiple different airlines throughout the entire country. The first thing I noticed about the data was the average section, with the number for that one being at 69,200 in terms of the bar graph, while on the scatter plot it sits between nearly 18,005, while on the line graph for the average one, it actually sits between the rather slower amounts compared to some of the others on it. The second thing I noticed out of all this is that the Allegiant Airlines sits actually pretty low out of all of the airlines. That it measures at only 6,375. As for its position on the scatter plot, it sits at pretty much the lowest spot out of all of them, between 2,000 going up and down and 6.47 going left and right. While on the line graph, it shows very little change going from 2016 to 2019. The next thing I noticed was that American Airlines sits high atop of all of them, with a high mark of 172,696. As for its position on the scatter plot, also remains pretty high up there, all the way to nearly 45,000, with 2.331 and going left to right. And on the line graph here, it actually shows a pretty high growing trend from 40,180 in 2016 to 45,768 in 2019. The next thing that I noticed was that Delta Airlines is actually pretty close to American Airlines, with 172,328 at the top, just right next to American Airlines. And on the scatter plot, it has a whopping 44,438 going up and 6.529 from left to right. And the line graph for Delta Airlines shows a rising trend in its favor from 39,639 in 2016 to 47,007 to 2019. And not far from the two of those is United Airlines at 158,854 on the bar graph. On the scatter plot, it's not far off from its two main competitors, sitting above 40,000 going up, and at 4.7 going left to right on the scatter plot. On the line graph, goes up as well, and starting from 36,556 in 2016 to 43,259 in 2019. And that would be pretty much everything major to cover in this. Thank you for watching.